About 2 months back, I met one of my uncles who came back from abroad. I saw that he was pretty sad. So I asked him, what is the problem? He told me he's lost his job. So I asked him further what happened. He told, I just turned my vehicle by a degree and my boss was very angry. Turning your vehicle by a degree and your boss fired you? I was quite surprised. But as the conversation went further, I came to know the vehicle was a ship. My uncle had turned a ship by a degree, and the ship that was supposed to reach Nigeria got to South Africa. That is how decisions work in our life. All minute decisions that we take in our life would turn our life into a whole different angle. It'll be like taking a whole different turn in a junction in your life. You could go anywhere through one decision. Hello everybody, my name is Dylan Shankar. I am with English House. The decisions that we take in our life makes our life the way it is today and to the future. But how do we take the right decisions? I've got 3 things that you have to look into and you have to take note of while you're taking decisions. Number 1 is priority. Just imagine you're walking down the road and there are 3 people coming running towards you. One is coming with a machine gun, another with a knife, and one with a flower. Who do you think you have to attend to first? I'm sure definitely the guy with the machine gun, because he would harm you first. Similarly in life, we have to take many decisions all the time. You have to decide and have a priority on which decision you should be taking first. Because taking all the decisions at one go would ultimately hinder or would ultimately make that decision process very complicated. Make sure you see which decision would affect your life more and take those first. Now let's go to number 2. I call it flip the coin. No, I'm not telling you that your important decision in life should be decided like a cricket toss, where you flip the coin and you decide heads and tails. I'm telling you, when you flip the coin, when the coin is up in the air, in your head or through your heart, there would be someone speaking inside say, oh God, let it be heads. Oh God, let it be tails. That is your heart speaking. So when you're making your decisions, when you start listening to your heart, when you understand what you want exactly through your heart, it will be much more easier for you to make the right decision. Ultimately, it is what your heart says is what you would desire in your life. Now let's go to the final tip in making the right decision. After you make many decisions, you don't follow it up. Follow up your decisions. For example, you decided you're going to hit the gym and you're going to have a great body. You might do it for 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 days. The 4th day, you might go back on that decision. Many times in life, the greatest changes have been hindered because of no follow-up. The best of your decisions have not started affecting your life in the right way is because you have not followed up. So make sure if you have made a decision, you follow it up till the end of your life. Then that decision would become effective. So friends, start prioritizing, start listening to your heart, and start following up with your decisions. And your life is going to the right destination. Now today, would you like to make the right decision to master the English language? To know more, click on the link below.
English House. English at your fingertips.